Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Zuru X-Shot Reflex 6. This is like a very interesting little Zuru foam blaster, dart blaster. Has a rotating 6-dart barrel, and it rotates each time you pull this thing back. It looks like. Pull the trigger, and oh wow, that shot really fast. It comes with eight of these like weird looking darts. So it's a black foam dart with a I want to say like a baby blue turquoise looking rubber tip. And technically you can only fit 6 in the barrel, but they gave you 2 extras, which is it's okay. And just to get you an idea of where I bought this from, I bought this from Dollar General, hence the price tag right there. Bought it for about $8, including tax, New York tax. And I'm very impressed by this blaster and how it just performs really well, just right out of the box. So. I'll give you a wall bounce back demonstration. I'm going to be aiming for this wall, so I need to move this ginormous PVC pipe out of the way. Wall bounce back test. Leveled. Wow, that just hit my hand. That's so cool. Alright, so let's see if I can do it without getting my body hit. Or the paper. Oh yeah, like this is out by far. This is really surprising me on a huge scale. Like I was expecting this blaster to not be that powerful, to be honest, but it works really well. It performs very well too, and the price is just right too. Let's see. So main priming mechanism, it's pretty much a single fire blaster, so you pull this back, shoot dart, and then it rotates into the next barrel. As soon as you pull this thing back again, shoot, repeat cycle for 6 more shots, and then you simply throw the dart through the front of the barrel, put it in, do it 6 times, and then you're done. The grip for my ginormous hands, this fits really well. And the trigger it's not sticky, it's not stuck, it's very smooth, and I like it. Now, of course, like with any Nerf blaster, we have to test its performance, both in firepower and in long range, short range, medium range, whatever. And, of course, the accuracy. So I need yet another puzzle piece. I'll go with this 3D printed labyrinth piece I 3D printed at one point. What's a good place I could put this? Huh. Alright. Already running out of options. Alright. So I'm going to put it right there for now. See if I can handle this a little bit. So this is what I'm aiming at. I don't know if it's very visible. Let's see, let's put it like right there. And actually, yeah, I'll just leave it there. This is short range distance. I gotta move this box out of the way. Let's just push it on there. So this is from, I want to say, at least 5 feet away. I can't miss many times on this one. Alright, stand a little bit further back. Oh my god, it's just barely nicking it. Oh, it's just barely nicking it. Let's go a little bit lower. Perfect. Alright. So it took about 3 or 4 shots for me to actually figure out where the trajectory of this blaster can shoot. So if you were to look down the, let's see if I can do this right. So, I hate doing this reversed, but the idea is if you aim down the sights and kind of aim where you're going to go, aim a little bit lower because these darts like to fly kind of upward a little bit. Bring this back. Alright, so as far as this goes, it holds 6 darts, which is cool. Rotates in a barrel, which is even better. For $8, this is pretty powerful already, but we still have to test the range, or get an idea of what the ranges are. So, without further ado, let's go try that out now. That will do it. Alright, so I got 3 shots. The first one, I'm gonna stand by the door frame, and to the other door frame is about 20, maybe a little bit more or less feet. First one is leveled. Okay, so they do go down a bit after a while. Leveled. Oh, that's not bad. Could have gone in probably an additional 10 feet. Let's see. I don't really want to test angle. Let's just try another leveled shot. I'm going to go all the way to the back. Well, this is okay. So I'm probably about an extra 10-15 feet away. Leveled. Wow. Okay. So I stood right about there. So from here, all the way down to that door, all the way over there. I'm guessing probably approximately 40 feet. And yeah, that's virtually it. This blaster performs very, very well, and I'm very impressed by it, actually. So for the price I paid, that came with 8 darts plus a blaster plus 3 targets, which I should have used at the very beginning of this video. Honestly, yeah, I give this. I'm gonna give it. What should I give it? I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for this blast. Well, no, actually. Yeah, I think I'll give this, 9 out of 10 for this blaster. 9.5 out of 10 for the blaster. 9.5 out of 10 for the blaster because just right out of the box it performs really, really well. There's no extra batteries I need to throw in. There's no other things I need to know. It's literally pick it up and you're ready to play. So 9.5 out of 10 for this blaster from Zuru X-Shot. So I'm going to kind of conclude the end of this video. So 9.5 out of 10 for the Zuru X-Shot Reflex 6. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please throw a like or a comment or even a subscribe. And as always, have a great day and a great night and a great life and everything else. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today.